We had some shower pan liner left over from building our house. Luckily, Irene knew exactly where it was. I have to say, it looks really nice once it's all done. The pink foam won't waterlog, and because of its tighter internal structure, it also doesn't supply a good place for algae to grow. 16 holes, nutrients, and an air stone, and we're ready to go. It's time to get some nutrients in this tank so that we can put the starts into the net pots and then put those into the floating raft. I'm going to be using expanded clay media to help hold those seedlings up. The brand name of this expanded clay is Hydroton or Hydroton. It's commonly available at many hydroponic stores. I put water in this jar so that the clay balls can start absorbing liquid. Getting these seedlings ready to go into the floating raft is pretty easy. There's roots coming up from many of the plants, which is great. I'm just picking the plug out of the cell. You can see the roots coming through the bottom of the grow media. I put the plug into the net pot. Now I'm going to put a couple pieces of the grow media just to hold things in place. Now it's a matter of putting this into the floating raft. It's really simple. I put the net pot into the floating raft, and it sits on the raft and puts the roots down into the nutrient solution. I'll put a few more pieces of expanded clay. One of the advantages of using this expanded clay is it provides more shade to help keep algae growth down. Planting up the floating raft is really simple. It's quick, it's easy. All I need to do now is put a few more plants into the net pots and this job is done. Thanks for watching. I hope this was of interest to you. If so, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications, because we're always doing something here on the homestead. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.